Here is Snappy Slide exercise number 15. Listen closely. Let's sing and slide the first part of the pattern together. 1, 2, sing. 1, 4, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 3. Go back and repeat that as you need, then let's play it together. 1, 2, breathe. Let's sing and slide the second part of the pattern together. 1, 2, sing. 4, 3, 1, 4, 6, 3, 4, 4, 1. Now, let's play that together. 1, 2, breathe. Go back and repeat those parts as needed, and then let's practice the full pattern first by singing and sliding the full thing. 1, 2, sing. 1, 4, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 3, 4, 3, 1, 4, 6, 3, 4, 4, 1. Once you feel confident with that, let's play the full pattern 2 times in a row together. 1, 2, breathe. Use the YouTube speed up and slow down function to work on the pattern at your own pace. Here's your final goal for speed 2 times in a row. 1, 2, breathe.